There are so many people who are less technical or non-technical, who do not have enough skills or knowledge about IT industry or software industry. There are also people who are more than 50 years of age or 60 years of age, or people who are constantly searching online for work from home kind of jobs or work from home kind of opportunities. For all those people, I have created this video. In this video, I'm going to tell you about voice over career or voice over artist career. Now, my name is Sushmita and you're watching my YouTube channel Sushmita Madhu. If you're watching this video for the first time, there is a subscribe button. Click that subscribe button and don't forget to click the bell icon. So in this video, I'm going to tell you about 3 websites where you can find voice over jobs or voice over projects. But before that, let us understand what is voice over. Now, we have seen lot of cartoon serials or cartoon films, right? Cartoon serials like Chota Bheem and Ninja Hattori and Doraemon, Kemonache, these kind of cartoons or cartoon movies, they definitely need a person who can give their voice to these cartoon characters. Now, the person who is giving his voice to these cartoon characters, that person is called as a voice over artist, because he is giving his voice and making these cartoon characters live. So that person is called as a voice over artist. Now, how can you become a voice over artist? Anybody can become a voice over artist, but to become a voice over artist, you have to make sure which language you are choosing for voice over. For example, if you are choosing Hindi language, Hindi voiceover artist, you should have very good knowledge about the language. I'm talking about the oral long language. For example, how a particular word has to be spelled, or how a particular word has to be pronounced. So you should have very good knowledge about that particular language. So that is the only one thing that you need to become a voice over artist. Now, anybody can become a voice over artist. If you have a smartphone, with the smartphone also you can record your voice and you can submit to these 3 websites. Now watch this video till the end, because at the end I will give you a bonus tip that will definitely help you to boost your voice over career. Now, the first website in my list is voice123.com. The links of all these websites I will definitely mention in the description of this video. The first website is voice123.com. Second website is voices.com, and the third website is fiverr.com. All these 3 websites you will find voice over artist jobs or projects. Now, to register in these websites, registration is free. You only have to register with your phone number or your email ID. After registration, they will send you verification details. They will send you OTP or a verification link to your email and all those stuff. Now, once the verification is done, you have to complete your profile. I mean to say, you have to write a small description about you, your gender, your age, and your what kind of voiceover you want to do. You want to do cartoons character voiceover, or you want to do some narration. I mean to say, we also have seen discovery videos, right? In discovery videos, what happens is, some video will be playing and a person voice will be, we will listen to a voice that will be explaining about the video or some scenario, some forest and all those stuff. Now, these people who are narrating the story or narrating the details about that particular film or video, uh, they are also called voiceover artists, and those kind of clips or stories or videos are called narratives. So you can choose what kind of voiceover you want to do. You want to do narratives, you want to do storytelling, you want to do cartoons and all those stuff. You have to choose from these website: voice123.com, voices.com and fiverr.com. Now, you have to complete your profile, and don't forget to upload a sample. Uploading a sample is very easy. You can record an audio clip from your smartphone and you can upload that into these websites. Now, how the payment thing happens in these websites is, all these 3 websites are not Indian, they are foreign websites, and people from all over the world, they put or they add their project or jobs in these websites. So you may get jobs or you may get project from US, UK, Australia, Sweden, or anywhere you will be able to get jobs or projects from. Now make sure that your profile is complete and your samples are in very good quality. I mean to say, do not upload a audio in from a crowd. Make sure your audio is without any noise, any background noise. Make sure that one thing. And how the payment thing happens is, all these websites, these three websites, when a project is complete, they take some commission, maybe a 4% or 5% commission. I'm not sure about the commission thing, but they take some commission. The remaining amount will be transferred to your account. Now your account, I mean to say, these three websites will be transferring the amount to your PayPal account. Please understand, PayPal is a website where you have to register and you have to connect your Indian bank with your PayPal account. Please understand, you have to register in PayPal with your phone number or email ID. After registering, you have to submit, you have to enter your local bank details into PayPal. PayPal will verify whether the bank account is genuine, it is present, or it is active, or not active, not genuine, and all those stuff they will verify. After verification, your PayPal account will be activated. This PayPal account details may be a phone number or an email ID that you have to submit in these three websites. Now once your PayPal account is activated or added in this website, and once you complete a project, voiceover project also, automatically the client will be transferring the amount to your these website, any one website, and this website, after taking their commission, the remaining amount will be transferred to your PayPal account. The PayPal account will calculate the currency conversion, and the remaining amount will be deposited to your local account, your local bank account. So in this way the cycle moves. Now the best part of voiceover artist is, you can sit at home and you can submit your voice samples. You can complete your project sitting at home only, and you can submit your project online. You need not have to travel to some office, you need not have to go to some other location. So it is a work from home kind of job, or work from home kind of opportunity. Now the bonus tip is, while submitting your profile in these three websites, make sure you upload a profile picture also. And the very important part is, your profile picture should be very professional. Do not upload a selfie photo, or a photo from your Instagram account, or from your WhatsApp profile pic, or anything. Do not upload any random image. Make sure you are uploading a very professional photograph, because the clients who will be choosing the voiceover artist, they also look if the person is really serious about the work or not. They will definitely see that. So that is the reason your profile, your account should be very professional, very neat, and very precise, very nicely maintained kind of profile picture, description, your personal description, and all those stuff should be very professionally maintained. So that is the thing about voiceover career, or voiceover job opportunities. Now if you like this video, please click the like button and share this video with your friends who are looking to work from home, but they are not getting any idea what to do. You can share this video with them as well. You can also follow me on Instagram. Go to Instagram, search for Sushmita Madhu, and you'll find me. You can also do the same thing in Facebook. You can follow me on Facebook as well. And that's all about this video, and I will see you in the next video. Till that time, namaste.